Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A bathroom designed in the Art Deco style exudes a sense of luxury, sophistication, and glamour. Drawing inspiration from the 1920s and 1930s, this design concept incorporates sleek lines, geometric patterns, and opulent materials to create a visually stunning and elegant space. One of the key elements of an Art Deco bathroom is the use of bold and contrasting colors. Rich hues such as black, white, gold, and silver form the foundation of the color palette. Black and white tiles, often in geometric patterns like chevron or sunburst, can be used on floors, walls, or as decorative accents. Gold or silver accents in fixtures, faucets, and accessories add a touch of opulence and complement the overall aesthetic. Fixtures in an Art Deco bathroom are often characterized by their streamlined and geometric designs. Freestanding bathtubs with angular shapes or pedestal sinks with sleek lines create a focal point while embodying the elegance of the era. Chrome or nickel finishes on faucets and fixtures further enhance the luxurious feel. Mirrors and lighting play a significant role in an Art Deco bathroom, adding both functionality and style. Large, decorative mirrors with geometric frames or beveled edges reflect light and create an illusion of space. Lighting fixtures with sleek and symmetrical designs, such as wall sconces or vanity lights, provide a warm and flattering glow. Consider incorporating Art Deco-inspired pendant lights or chandeliers with intricate detailing for a dramatic effect. Accessories and details in an Art Deco bathroom can elevate the overall design. Consider adding luxurious touches like crystal or glass accents, which can be featured in soap dishes, toothbrush holders, or decorative vases. Towel racks or hooks in chrome or gold finishes can further enhance the elegance of the space. Incorporating Art Deco-inspired artwork, such as framed prints or posters, can also add personality and a sense of nostalgia. Flooring and tiling in an Art Deco bathroom should be carefully chosen to maintain the overall aesthetic. Marble or mosaic tiles with geometric patterns can be used on floors or as accent walls, adding texture and visual interest. Consider incorporating borders or decorative insets to enhance the geometric theme. To complete the Art Deco look, pay attention to small details like door handles, cabinet pulls, and bathroom hardware. Opt for sleek and angular designs in chrome, brass, or crystal finishes to maintain the cohesiveness of the overall style. In conclusion, an Art Deco bathroom is a timeless and luxurious space that exudes elegance and glamour. By incorporating bold colors, geometric patterns, opulent materials, and sleek fixtures, this style creates a visually striking and sophisticated environment. Whether in a residential home or a boutique hotel, an Art Deco bathroom adds a touch of old-world charm and creates a sense of indulgence and relaxation. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!